Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 2. I hope you had a chance to commemorate Memorial Day and that you got a chance to relax a little bit this weekend. I had LASIK last week, so I was not allowed to read or watch TV or go swimming or do exercise or wear eye makeup or basically do anything. So my weekend was not exciting. I hope yours was more fun. But I do have super awesome vision now, so very excited. All right, so about week 2 of the class. Last week I was very, very happy. Everyone almost turned in their assignments for week 1. I know summer is tough because it comes at you pretty fast and you're still getting over spring semester. So I'm really happy that most people turned in their work. I'll be grading those assignments over the next couple days. And if you didn't get going in week 1, don't panic. It's 1 week. There's still quite a few left, but be sure to get on board with doing your work this week. So in this week, you'll have one discussion board with several threads in it and one homework assignment. Do it. The other thing is that you'll also need to turn in the leader for your final project. Now remember, you have to write about somebody who works in business. They have to have a formal title that gives them supervisory power over people. They can't be related to you. They must be alive. They must be currently working. And I want to encourage you to think about your choice very carefully. Don't just choose somebody famous, like, oh, I've heard of Bill Gates, I'll write about him. But choose somebody who that you can really learn something from. Choose somebody who's in a field that you want to go into. So every semester, a lot of students write about Elon Musk or Tim Cook or a lot of people who work in tech. And the question is, how is your career going to look like theirs? Because the career patterns, the career norms, how people work in the industry looks very different than it does in fashion. And maybe you're not going into fashion, and that's something to consider. But if you want to go into publishing, every semester a couple students will write about Anna Wintour. But why not write about Bob Sauerberg, the CEO of Condé Nast? If you want to go into PR, I've seen almost no papers written on leaders in the PR industry. So pull out PR Week. Look who's profiled in there. Because if you're interested in PR, that's a publication you should be following anyway. And the same is true. If you think you want to leave the fashion business and you want to go into real estate, there's plenty of real estate magnates, realtors you could write about. So this is important, particularly because the project requires a paper and a presentation, and the presentation part requires that you compare yourself to your leader, your strengths and your weaknesses. But if you're writing about somebody like Bill Gates, who had a really rich dad, dropped out of Harvard, and then went on to start his own small business, your career already looks very different from that. So, and I'm guessing that since you're interested in fashion, your personality is probably pretty different from Bill Gates too. So while you can learn something, you maybe can't learn as much as you could from somebody who is perhaps more similar to you. So that's my advice. My other thing I want to suggest is don't just turn in one name. You might not get your first choice. Turn in 2 or 3. If you don't turn in any names at all, I will assign you somebody. And in that case, you are stuck with them. You cannot change your mind. So if that's okay with you, fine. But otherwise, turn somebody in. So have a great week. Thanks.